Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your research techniques with Coursera, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Coursera website and create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in keywords relevant to your research interests or techniques. Browse through the available courses to find those that suit your needs. Click on a course title to view its details, including syllabus and instructor information. Take note of course ratings and reviews from previous learners. Enroll in the course by clicking the Enroll button. Access the course material once enrolled. Start by reviewing the introductory module to understand the course structure. Focus on the video lectures to gain insights from industry experts. Pause and take notes as you watch to reinforce your understanding. Engage with peer-reviewed assignments to apply what you learn. Utilize discussion forums to ask questions and share ideas with fellow learners. Explore supplementary resources provided in the course, such as reading materials. Set a study schedule to help you stay consistent and focused. Use the quizzes to assess your knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Consider completing additional courses in related topics to deepen your understanding. Regularly revisit your notes and course materials to retain information. Apply new techniques to your own research projects to see tangible results. Seek feedback on your work to continuously improve your research skills. As you progress, reflect on what methods and techniques work best for you. Stay updated on new courses or topics that may enhance your abilities further. With dedication and the right resources, you can significantly elevate your research techniques using Coursera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.